in the following sentences. So let's do it. Lata has won a trophy. Let me also allow you to speak, so that we can at the same time discuss it. Lata has won a trophy. So you all try to tell me where are the nouns in this sentence, students? Which words are noun in the very first sentence? Lata has won a trophy. Noun कहाँ पे है इसमें बताइए? Lata is the name of a girl, so that is first one is the proper noun, and the second one is trophy. So in the very first sentence, this one first noun is this, and trophy. Trophy is the second noun. So all what you can do, you have to do just you have to just underline the noun words. So in the very first sentence, you can underline these two words. These two words are noun in the first sentence. Dogs have curved tails. So first dogs, first noun, and tails is the second noun. So these are again two nouns are there in the second sentence. Let's talk about the third one. If there is any doubt, you can ask your question. Anamika, again the name, noun, is an obedient daughter. So what are the others words which are noun in the this sentence? Again two noun are there. First one is Anamika, name of a girl again, and daughter. So these two words are noun, underline it. Let's see the fourth sentence. Sagar was born in Chandigarh. Again,
Sagar is noun.
first one is name, Chandigarh is the second noun in the fourth sentence. Let's see the fifth one. Bread is made of flour. Bread and flour. Not this floor. Be careful. What is the difference of these two floor? Floor and floor. FLOUR
फ्लोर
and
सर फ्लोर
FOOR.
मतलब आटा
Which
सर फ्लोर
this one or this one?
FLOUR मतलब
Yes,
FOLUR
FLOUR. This means
आटा
yes,
Atta.
atta. Good. Next, there is a little medicine in the bottle. Which words are noun in the which sentence? Sixth sentence. Little is not noun. No, it's not a noun. Medicine and bottle. Medicine and bottle. Clear? Keep the background music quiet. Sometimes different type of music is also coming. So please try to make sure that there is no sound in the background. Any problem in these sentences? Everything is clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, now let's see. You can see the type of duster we are using. Which type of duster it is called? In online class,
yes sir
we are using something now very advanced technology to reach you, to teach you. But as far
Yes,
as
sir.
duster is concerned, this one is very best indigenous, you can say. Desi duster we are using, Patanjali.
This is the song.
You didn't get my point, no problem. The moment is gone. Now let's talk about the seventh sentence. Where let's find out where the noun is in the seventh sentence. The boat capsized in the river. Again, two nouns are there. Boat, first one, and the river, second one. Two nouns are there. Let's talk about the eighth one. Your brother has scored well in the test. So now you try to tell What will be the noun? What are the nouns?
The brother.
Brother and another?
Yes.
Brother and test. Do one thing. You just can't just try by yourself to identify the nouns. Rest of the sentence I just leave for you. Okay? You just try yourself. अपने आप से कोशिश कीजिए. And if there would be any problem tomorrow, you can ask. Okay? Now
Yes, sir.
now we will move to, because there are total 15 sentences and more than 50% I have taught you, I have told you, and remaining you should try to do it yourself, and if there will be any problem you can ask me. Now we will move to the exercise B. You need to use suitable nouns in the given space. Write with a. You can use any type of noun. Write with a pen or pencil. Whatever you want to write, you can. It could be a pen, it could be a pencil. Both are right. Okay. Similarly, in the second sentence, let's read the sentence. My is seriously ill. So it could be your any family member could be seriously ill. So there is no particular answer. If suppose that if I write uncle, this is
And my.
also right. If I write brother, it's also right. So no specific answer. It could be your own choice as well. आप अपने भी choice का answer वहाँ पे आप fill कर सकते हैं. It could be also right one. Okay. Yes. Now let's talk about Arun and Chetan are. This is something should be particular, and let's me get an answer from your side. Yes. What could be the right noun for this sentence? In this sentence,
The friend.
friends.
Friend.
Yes. Good. Very good. Friends. This is the right noun in the third sentence, students. So please, in the blank space, write friends. Again, the dogs chase in the jungles. Generally,
The monkey. The monkey.
dog
The
can chase
monkey.
monkey. Monkey can chase dog nowadays. Time has changed.
The cat.
Monkey
The cat.
can chase a dog nowadays. Nowadays, dogs are also very coward. वो भी डरपोक हो गए. Even jackals can make chase them. Earlier was time when the dogs were used to chase jackals in the field, but nowadays jackals chase dogs. So time has changed. So right option is kite, because only the kite is something nowadays dog can chase. Okay. Now let's talk about fifth sentence. The name of our motherland is, where we have all born in. What is the name of that
India.
earth? India. The part of earth on which we have born is called India. Now let's talk about the sixth sentence. Great wheat, grow wheat for us. Who grow wheat for us?
Farmers. The
Farmers. So it's very easy one
Farmers.
to predict. There is no in the playground. You just suggest me
children.
what could be the right noun in this sentence. There is
The
no
children.
in the playground.
The children.
There is no boy, no child.
Children.
Children is
The
plural.
children.
Students. If is has been used, so a noun should be singular one. Children is plural one. Children plural हो जाएगा. Is दिया हुआ है already. So noun should be singular. Boy. There is no boy in the field. Is it visible? There is no boy in the
Yes, sir.
field. Is the largest city in India? Are you aware of the city? Do you know the city which is the largest in India?
Mumbai.
The Maharashtra.
Mumbai, Kolkata. Which one?
Bombay.
Bombay. Bombay is gone. Bombay
The
name is now
Maharashtra.
Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Mumbai. No, Kolkata. I think Kolkata should be the right answer. In 8 sentence,
Mumbai.
Kolkata. By your own choice, if you are sure, you can also write Mumbai, no problem, because we are not here competing something. You just need to mention a noun, a name of a city, which one is the largest in the India. There is very interesting. Yes, you suggest a proper noun for it. Very interesting.
The book.
Yes,
The book.
there is a very
The
Story.
book.
there is a very interesting book behind it. This is not
There is
suitable.
very interesting fact.
Joking.
Story.
Who is saying story? Tell your name. Who is saying story?
Story.
Who is saying story? One boy or girl? I didn't hear. Who said story?
Abhishek Yadav.
Yes, right. Your answer is right. Story. There is a very interesting story behind it. India won the World Cup of 1983 and in 2012 both. So there was a very interesting story.
11.
In I am unwell, sent for the, what could be the right
Message.
noun? When you are unwell, where you are sent? कहाँ भेजा जाता है आपको? Hospital.
Doctor. Hospital.
Doctors.
Police station.
पेशेंट तुम पेशेंट के पास ही चले जाओ इलाज कराने के लिए. Everybody goes to the doctor for the treatment. You go to the patient because this iron cuts iron. लोहे को लोहा काटता है. This formula is right. पेशेंट को पेशेंट ही ठीक करेगा, डॉक्टर कैसे ठीक कर सकता है? Doctor is could be the right answer in the last sentence. So any doubt in the exercise B students? कोई problem इसमें किसी को?
No, sir.
Okay, fine, very good. Now let's talk about the next exercise. This one is something I would like you to do it yourself. I will let you know that how you can very easy task. Underline nouns in the following sentences and write them in the table according to their kind. Table is given there. Kind of noun, name of the kind of noun is given there. All you need to do is just underline the noun in the sentence and put it or write it in the given column. For example, in the first sentence, a pack of wolves is roaming in the forest. So first of all, you have to identify how many words are there which are noun in the very first sentence. Tell me. Exercise C, in the very first sentence, कितने noun है इस sentence में? A pack of wolves is roaming in the forest. First is pack. Pack का मतलब यहाँ पे don't get different meaning. Pack means here group students. And another is wolves. Another noun is wolf. And another word is there, forest. So 3 words in the very first sentence are noun here. So first of what you need to do, first you underline them, इनको underline कीजिए, and you have to also write them in the right column. Common nouns, proper noun, material noun, collective noun, abstract. Now the real test is here, students. Now let's find out that how many of you are able to identify its kind. Pack, which type of group, which type of noun it could be?
Collective noun.
Yes, whenever you are referring to a group, it's collective noun. So you will write this one in the column of collective noun. Pack, collective. C and I'm writing. No. It stands for collective noun. इस column में लिख लीजिएगा. Then wolves. Common noun.
Proper noun.
It can't be proper noun. It's a common noun. Again. Common noun. And forest is the same common noun.
Common noun.
So pack would be the collective noun, wolves will be the common, and the forest would be again the common noun. So write them in the respective column of noun. Now let's see the second sentence. How are houses useful to us? So how many nouns are there in the second sentence? In the second sentence, friends, just you all let me know how many nouns are there, because you have to
houses and us.
no, don't be afraid of committing mistakes. If you commit mistakes, don't be afraid of it कि गलती हो जाए क्या, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. एटलीस्ट आप जान तो जाओगे कि कैसे क्यों नहीं था या क्यों था या कौन सा नाउन था. इन द सेकेंड सेंटेंस आप बताइए, कोशिश कीजिए. हाउ आर हाउसेज यूजफुल टू अस?
The houses and us.
There is only, yes, another noun. First one is house, houses, and second one
Us.
us. Us is not noun, students. Us is pronoun because it is used for they. अगर they pronoun use हुआ होता है तो उसी का ऑब्जेक्टिव केस हम क्या यूज करते हैं? us यूज करते हैं. not us यूज करते हैं, them यूज करते हैं. ये यूज होता है, beg your pardon students, we use it for we. us is the objective case of we का objective case क्या होता है? us होता है. So this one is pronoun, not noun, because as a student it's very important to identify the words, students, because until and unless you are not able to identify the words that whether they are verb, noun or adjective, you can't have a full command over English. So here only there is one word which is noun, that is the houses, and it is common noun. So write this one in the column of common noun. Now let's talk about the third one. I did try to identify the given nouns in the third sentence. Tom is a tall and handsome. Noun words, only there is again single noun words, that is Tom. Since it is the name of a boy, which pronoun it is? Proper. Which noun it is? It's a proper noun. Clear?
Yes.
Now you tell me nouns. Identify the nouns in the fourth sentence. पहचानिए नाउन को. फोर्थ सेंटेंस में कौन से नाउन दिए हुए हैं, कहाँ पे है बताइए. In the fourth sentence.
Sir, tree.
Yes, first chairs, wood and cane. Very good.
Cane.
Three nouns are there. Chairs. Look, initially in the beginning, if you are not able to identify, so don't be discouraged, demoralized, because once you get a little bit hint and you just get a little bit confidence that yes, you are able to identify, slowly you will be able to automatically identify. You'll be able to identify it. Okay, so don't be discouraged. Try to identify. First is chairs, second one is wood, and third one is cane. So these are the three words which are noun in the fourth sentence. So chairs, which type of noun it is? It could be the common noun.
Common noun.
Again, wood, it's talking about the material here. So it is material. And here it's again material noun. Cane is also material noun. Chair, common noun. Wood, material noun, and cane is again material noun. So please write them in the respective sentence column. Let's see the fifth sentence. Try to identify. The Ganga is the longest river in India. How many nouns are there?
Ganga.
Ganga ji.
Sir, Ganga
The first
river
noun.
and India.
And second one
India.
is India. Very good.
India.
Is there another noun? For your noun has name?
River.
River. Yes, river.
The
is there.
river.
So again there are three nouns. These two are proper noun. Name of one name of country and name of river. So proper noun. Again proper noun. And this one is the common noun. Clear? Now identify the nouns in the sixth sentence, students. Sixth sentence बताइए. The bitch bore a litter of 6 pups.
The beach
Beach.
Sir, beach,
Beach is the
litter
first.
and
Beach is the first noun, and the second one is litter. Litter
Bubs.
is means litter is means group. Here the litter means not the measurement of
Material.
used for measurement used for no measuring something. Here it means group. So first is beach, and in the seventh sentence, second one is litter.
यहाँ पे क्या
L-I-T-T-E-R,
The
litter,
pups.
and pups.
कर
So again, beach is common noun. You write this one in the column of common noun. Litter is collective
The
noun.
litter
We are
is
talking
material.
about, yes,
Material.
collective noun. Talking about the group.
Material.
Who is saying material noun? How it could be material noun? Liter means, again I am telling, it's not that liter that which we we use for measuring. It is something a group. It means here, it means that spelling is different. L-I-T-R, liter. This is used for measuring, and this liter means here this means group. Clear? Don't be confused. And pups means here again babies, dogs. So again you can put it in the name column of common noun. Clear? Try to identify nouns in the sentence 8th में बताइए आप लोग, 7th में
sir, house and slate.
in the 7th sentence try to identify the nouns. Aditya Kumar Gupta, don't mute yourself.
Sir, house
The
and
roof
slate.
of this house is made of slate. Roof,
The roof,
roof, house,
House.
Roof,
and
house.
slate. So
And slate.
roof is material noun, students. House we already have discussed in above sentence, common noun.
common noun.
And as far as slate is also a material noun.
पैटर्न में सारी
Type
बात
material. Clear? So write them in the respective columns given in the book. Now this is the last sentence we will discuss in the class, and remaining sentence you have to do it yourself, because I think we have completed more than half sentences. Let's the plane is bound for Mumbai. The first plane,
Plane and Mumbai.
common noun,
And then Mumbai.
yes, and Mumbai.
Mumbai.
How many of you like Mumbai Indians in
noun.
IPL?
That
It's proper noun. Nobody likes Mumbai Indians in IPL.
Ankit Kushwaha.
Ankit
Yes, sir.
Kushwaha.
Yes, sir.
And anyone else who likes Mumbai
Abhishek
Indians?
Yadav.
that
Sir, I like
RCB.
Mumbai Indian.
RCB.
Me
Yes.
too.
सर आपका क्या पंजाब है?
My favorite is Punjab. Okay.
वैसा मेरा भी पूरे पंजाब है
Now let's talk about exercise D, students. Today I will try to finish this chapter again. Two exercises are left, very simple exercises. Remaining sentences you try to do it yourself, and if there is any problem you will ask me tomorrow in the class. Okay. So now let's talk about exercise D.
The Taj Mahal.
Options are already given there. It's easy one. So where in the first option, the what? The Taj Mahal. In the very first option, you fill Taj Mahal. It is given in the book. You can see there. And in the second sentence, the Gita is what?
The school. The school of Hindu.
No, not school. Gita is school nahi. Gita school hai.
सर गीता इज
स्क्रिप्चर जिसको हम वेद बोलते हैं. स्क्रिप्चर.
यस सर
Scripture of Hindu. In the first option, scripture is there. You can see in the option given there, scripture. And in the next option of Hindu, is this word is there?
Yes, sir.
Where the Hindu
Yes,
word?
sir.
Yes, Hindus.
Sir, third sentence, Prime Minister of India.
Prime Minister
Prime
of
Minister. India.
India.
Very good. And in the fourth one,
You- Whom? Sir, whom?
Name.
let me see
Sir,
sentence.
whom?
Our protects us from the bad weather.
Whom?
Who protect us?
Sir, home.
Whom? Sir,
Our
whom?
home. Yes,
Home.
very good. I was hearing whom. I thought someone is saying whom. It's home. And fifth one, our
The
played a
team.
match against team. Yes, team. In the fifth sentence, easy one, team. Let's talk about the sixth
Sir,
one.
gang.
Gang.
Sir, gang.
The gang. Sir, gang.
Yes, easy one. Seventh. In the seventh sentence, Aditya Kumar Gupta, family matter is being discussed in the background. Why you are disclosing it to us? Make sure that no sound is there. Now, students, now tell me the seventh sentence. The angler caught a
Pool.
big.
Sir, clay.
What could be the
Or
right
goon.
option? Of a fish, glass, wood, clay, council, India, Taj Mahal, Hindu, school. School, yes. School is the right option.
The uncle is a catch.
School. Here, school means not
Sir, गिलास होगा.
door and window are made of clay and
Sir, machli.
glass. No, let's talk about this one. Here, students, school means group. Don't be confused. Not the school where you go for study. Here it means group. Okay, so don't be confused. In the eighth sentence, clay, first
And wood
option,
and-
and then the
wood
second
and
option, glass.
Wood.
Sir,
Clay and
Glass.
glass.
Plain glass.
People made houses of wood.
Wood.
In the ninth option, right
clay.
option is wood. And in the
clay.
last one,
Clay.
the king
King of
consulted his
Council.
council. Yes,
Council.
council word is there. Good.
Council of Minister.
So is it clear? Any doubt in this exercise?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now the last exercise is there.
No, sir.
Let's quickly complete it. Also, what we need to do, tick two sentences are there and we need to tick the right sentence. So what is the right sentence in the out of the two sentences? A and B.
First,
Sir, there is
There is no
place
place in the
bus.
bus or there is no room in the bus. Which one is right one?
Sir, there is no place.
Option A.
There is no place in the bus.
Now listen, place and room. Student, place means a locality. Like I say, if I visit in Sarnath, so Sarnath is a place in Varanasi. So place is something like this, and room is something space. Like there is not enough room in the room. मतलब room में ज़्यादा space नहीं है. So this meaning is space. So in the bus we don't talk about place, we talk about space. So which one refers to space? Room. So room is the right one. So in the very first sentence, there is no room in the bus. Right sentence is there is no room in the bus, not place. Sentence number B is right in the first.
for trips.
And now let's talk about the second sentence. I am learning a new poetry. I am learning a new poem. Which one is right one?
Poem.
Option B.
Poem.
learning a new poem.
Poem, not poetry.
The poem.
Difference between poetry and poem. Can anyone explain it?
तो पोट्री में तो सर होता है.
Yes. Poetry means क्या होता है बताइए? Again in the third sentence, all my relations are not poor. All my relatives are poor.
The relatives.
Relatives.
Yes, relatives. Fourth one, Why are you standing in the center of the street? Why are you standing in the middle of the street? Center of the street or middle of the street?
Center.
Middle. Sir, middle of street.
Center and middle.
Middle.
It's
Sir, middle.
middle of the street.
Middle.
Now let's talk about the fifth one. I visit once in a week or one in a week. Which one is right?
Sir, one.
or one? Once in a week,
Once.
not one, once.
Once.
Again, option B is right.
His signature here.
He put his sign here or signature here?
Signature here.
Signature.
Not sign, signature.
Sign.
Yes, signature. Seventh,
Sign.
the deception of deceive. Yes, the very first time in the seventh sentence, option A is right. In the rest of the sentences, you can clearly see option B is right.
Sentence.
In the six sentences, yes, where has gone the sixth sentence?
Sir,
Who is
eight.
scolding whom? Fifth sentence, I visited once in a week. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Once.
5, 6. In the sixth option again, option B is right. In the seventh,
Sir,
option A is right. And eighth,
Sir, B.
one should kindness enough. One should kind enough. Again, option B is right.
B.
sir, B.
So students, only in the seventh sentence.